Hey, can I add you
guys? Today we're
Can
gonna
you
be
give me some
playing Anime Company.
Can you give me some broccoli too?
Let's get straight into
I
it.
want some broccoli.
Here, add me.
So I'm
Give me
kind of
some
broke
for being a
right now. No, I'm not broke.
Then let's go mining.
You're my favorite boy.
Guys, I'm the one who bought all these lances. All of these lances.
And I kind of have a spit.
I came from
Not going to argue.
52K to 0K.
Now come here.
If you could.
I'm giant.
You want to go to the face?
Okay, boy, stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
I only play with you
Cause you're my favorite.
Alligator boy.
Hello.
Please have a gun or two. Purple. Purple. Please have a gun.
Can you teach me how to play?
Yeah, come here.
Kill him.
Green guy, please have a gun.
Hello, Shin-chan.
Please have a gun.
Okay,
Alright,
I got the whales.
come here.
I got
Alright.
something
You
whale.
hit own guns.
Press this.
Have a
Press
gun.
that.
Oh, boy.
Alright, and then
Have
See
one,
the
please.
purple guy with the elf hat.
yeah. My name's SKM Big Body Jack.
One gun. We have one
yeah.
shotgun.
Yeah.
Do I press add friend?
Yes.
Okay.
What's your name?
ZW.
Don't stop. I'll be good to you.
Give me some.
Alright, hey, look. I'm gonna join the room.
Hey.
Go to your friends. You're gonna see me right here. Okay.
You know what?
And then press join room.
Yeah. You're gonna press join room.
Anyone hit own guns?
Where are you?
Oh, I guess I'm teaching a new player how to play. That's gonna be today's video. I think I'm gonna teach him, give him some stuff. Hello. Hey, show me your watch just to verify. Okay, yeah, you're pretty new. Alright, so first, take one of these.
Flashlight.
Here, take one of these. That's a revolver.
A gun.
Yeah. Alright, this is how you use it. You press.
Do I press?
Press B.
What's this?
Press B,
Yeah.
and then press your trigger. It will shoot. And there are monsters in this game
I'm scared.
that you have to kill. Here, put this on
My
your back.
friend was playing my
Put this on your back.
VR.
Okay,
Where is it?
right here.
Where's my bag?
All right, now. I think we're good. All right, now just follow me. Follow me.
Yeah.
So the first monster I'm gonna show you is the ogre.
What does he look like?
He kind of looks like a troll. He kind of looks like a troll.
What are these bombs?
Do not step on him. Do not step on him.
Okay. I'm not gonna step.
They're called
done.
landmines. They're called landmines, and if you step on one, it goes kaboom.
Flashlight.
Yeah, but
What's that noise?
this is a glow stick. That noise is the ogre stepping. That noise is the ogre stepping.
What?
Look at this. Alright, see? That's,
Chicken.
the
Chicken.
big guy is the ogre.
Booty.
The big guy is the ogre. Shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot him. Nice. Oh, fan.
What is that?
Look. Whee!
Flying.
Whee! Yeah, I'm coming back to you. Where are you?
In the dark place.
Oh, he's in there.
I know.
Okay.
What's down here? Oh, chicken. What's this on?
This
Yeah.
is. Let's not go down here.
No. Fuck. Where are we going?
We're gonna go back. We're gonna go
I
back.
want to.
We're gonna go back.
I want to explore more.
We are. We are. Oh, I almost stepped on a landmine.
Oh. What's that?
That is a sewing machine.
Oh. Yeah, my friend was in here and he said he got for research points.
Oh yeah, research points.
Just go on my weapon. I'll just click on weapons. This is the only thing I have.
Here. The revolver is one of the strongest weapons in the game.
I mean, there's no
Here, take
thingies in
that,
there. I'm
take
just
that.
looking in. There's no.
Take that. Take
Oh.
that. Alright, now we're gonna get you some research points.
New revolver.
Now we're gonna get you some research points. Okay. Now.
Give me another.
Alright, follow me. Follow me. Okay. Oh no, I didn't.
I'm gonna put this in here.
Okay.
There's nothing in there.
That sells it. Thank you,
There's
Dad.
nothing in there. There's nothing in there.
That's gonna sell it. Oh, okay. See, it gives you
What
money.
just happened?
Look, see, it gives you money. See, you just got 280 coins.
Oh my god!
You wanna see how many coins I
Wow.
have? Or nuts?
1,000? I have 1,002.
No, I have 1 million nuts.
Oh.
Alright, just follow me. Follow me.
Go. Don't like that. Stop. What's this noise? I'm scared. I've been in here before and then I just died when I fell.
Don't. Come on.
What's down here?
Monsters and research points.
No.
It's fine. It's fine. I'll protect you.
A goal!
Okay.
Scary.
This is the flare gun.
Revolver. What's this?
Alright, follow me. Oh no, come here. You're gonna take one. No, you're good. You're gonna take one of these bombs. Hold it with your right controller. You're gonna press B, and then you're gonna throw it. But you're gonna throw it at the purple crystals, okay?
Okay.
Just do your best. Nice. Did you get a research point? Did you get a research point?
No, I never the purple thing came up on my screen. But it gave me purple. It gave me coins.
Good. Back up. Don't move. Alright, back up. Alright.
Yeah.
Now time for me to get some research points with you. Don't touch these things. Don't touch those. Run! Please tell me you didn't die. I wouldn't waste your ammo on that.
It's mine.
Oh, watch out.
He carried.
Back up. Watch out. Hold on. Watch out. Keep running. Just keep running. You're good. Keep running. Frick, I missed. Got him. He's dead.
Ooh, what's this?
Oh, open the crate. Revolver ammo, perfect.
I need.
Alright. I'm protecting you. He's dead. Oh,
I made that move.
Open that crate.
Oh, that.
Watch out! Run! Oh. Dang. Poor guy.
Hallo? Der Pink oder Purple? Hallo, bist du Deutsch?
Now I'm just gonna kill myself. Hello? Oh, there you are.
Yeah. I had these. My friend bought these.
So those are the basics of the game. Kill monsters, collect the loot. Here, so
I mean,
kill monsters, collect stuff with a backpack. Put it in here and make money, okay? Kill,
what, Rory?
and
What do you think?
open the crates. Those are the basics of the game.
Where did we die?
No, don't go. Come back.
I fell down the hole.
Kill yourself. Just kill yourself then. You can kill yourself by moving when the green light is at red. When it goes red, start moving so you can come back to spawn. Okay.
So scary.
Oh god.
What's this?
Stuck. Alright.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright. And now. Alright, look. I'm gonna set you up with a little starter pack.
That's because I can buy this.
No. No. This is a little starter pack for you.
Meat stuff.
Hold on. I'm on my spend limit. Hold on.
You have money.
Yeah, I have 1 million.
Yeah, you can buy. It says, it's right here.
Yeah.
This line. Right there it says 5.
Okay.
What's down here?
Give him some. Give him some consumables. Okay. So this is what your starter pack is gonna look like.
I don't need one of these. One of these. Where's it go? I made one.
Here, put it down. Here. Give me the revolver. You don't seem that new to the game. I can tell you that. Alright, well. Just put this in your stash. And if you need stuff, that's your little starter pack. Alright.
That in. I mean, what's this? I thought blue bag said under it 17.
Yeah, but because it has all that stuff in it. Alright. Goodbye. Bye, buddy.
No, I'm gonna give you something. Before you leave.
Okay.
If I got this, I need to give you it.
Okay. What? Whoa. You know that's really rare, right?
Watch this.
You know that's rare.
Go. Okay. Or I'll give you something else.
Because that's really rare.
Take this.
Thank you. Oh, like an hour 30.
Let's go mining.
Maybe 2. We can go mining. But you know
Let's go mining.
you know that radio is really rare, right? You know that
Oh.
you know that radio is really rare, right?
I'm gonna mine with these.
Uh,
Let's go mining. Do I make the stickies?
oh, alright, we can go mining. Alright. Hold on.
Wow.
No.
Take these in case. Put this in your thingy. So when someone joins. Ooh. I'll take one.
Here, hold on. Yep, there you go.
Take one. What the?
Alright.
Let's go.
No. Okay,
I'll put this in your stash.
we can go mining. Okay.
Put that in your stash.
But you know that radio is really rare, right? Right?
No, I didn't know it was rare. Let's go.
Okay. Hold on.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Is there a new place that we can go to?
Let's go. Oh, hold on. Alright, let's go.
This is what I fell down.
Yep.
I moved in red light. Turned around. And then he killed me. Let's go. What's that? Oh, what? Hey, you stupid chicken, why you move?
Oh, I didn't.
Where's it going? I'm just gonna do this one.
I have no more ammo.
No.
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 Alright, I gotta go. Kill yourself and come back to spawn. Move on, red, white. Oh, he left. No. He was a new player. Well, I guess that's it for today's video, guys. Bye.